Hello, Luxorians. Bon année! Happy New Year 2022. I'm coming to you guys with my real face. You see that? And this is my real hair as well. Please don't judge my hairstyle. Please don't judge my hairstyle. Anywho, I'm super grateful to you all who subscribed to my channel in the past year, and I'm so grateful for you all who watched my videos as well. I also want to welcome you all, my new subscribers, into the family. Welcome to Luxorious World. I am still here and I continue to drop new videos and new content every week or every other week because of you guys. Thank you very much, and I wish you all an extraordinary 2022. Cheers to new beginnings, and I hope that all will be good this year and in the years to come. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my hair growth Ayurvedic scalp oil. So stay tuned and keep watching.
So guys, right here I have my Amla Powder, Fenugreek Powder, carrot oil, avocado oil, and lastly my pineapple and citrus fruit family oil. The base oil for both my carrot oil and my pineapple oil is sunflower oil. I prefer sunflower oil because it is lightweight and won't weigh down your hair. So we are just going to basically combine both my powders and oils in a beaker and mix thoroughly till everything is completely blended together. So we'll start off by adding in our carrot oil. The beta-carotene in carrots helps to keep the hair soft and shiny. Vitamin A and E found in carrots also help stimulate hair growth and make our hair roots much stronger. I have a video of how I made this carrot oil up on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description box so you can go check that out. Next, I'm going in with my avocado oil. Avocado oil helps to protect the hair from damage, reduce dandruff, prevent hair breakage, and helps to detangle the hair and also promotes hair growth. I'll now go in with my pineapple and citrus fruit oil. This oil is very high in vitamin C and doesn't only work wonders by brightening your skin tone, but it also helps to prevent hair loss, heal irritated scalp, and regulate sebum production. I also have a video of how I made this pineapple oil up on my channel. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description box so you can go check it out. I'll now go in with my Amla powder. Amla powder strengthens hair follicles and reduces hair thinning. This magic powder right here, guys, will make your hair thicker and bouncier. Lastly, I went in with my fenugreek powder. I call fenugreek powder the queen of hair growth, especially for 4C hair, because it's that do-it-all kind of product. It soothes scalp inflammation, treats dandruff, strengthens hair, and prevents shedding. The best part of it all is that anyone can benefit from the protein and anti-inflammatory properties found in fenugreek powder. Those with coarse or curly hair may notice added softness and a lot of shine to their hair. If you're like me, it was a childhood ritual to always sit patiently between my mother's knees while she parted and oiled my scalp. So having a rich scalp oil like this in your bathroom is a game changer when it comes to hair care. So far guys, if you're still watching this video at this point, thank you so much, and kindly give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as this will help grow my channel. It is also very important to do the double sieve method when sieving out your oil, because the last thing you want sitting in your hair is hair particles. It's not fun guys, and also very difficult to wash out. So the best way to have a very clean oil free from any hair particles is to use a coffee filter. A pantyhose didn't do the trick for me. The moment I started squeezing out my oil, my nail poked the pantyhose. It was a big disaster for me. I had splashes everywhere. So in my opinion, it is best to invest in a reusable coffee filter like the one I'm using in this video, as it is also very cheap and very affordable. Truth is, if you're not using a coffee filter, all this is going to end up in your hair. You really don't want to have that sitting on your scalp. Now that I've sieved out everything, I'll now go in with my essential oils. I have used tea tree and peppermint essential oils in making this Ayurvedic hair growth scalp oil. Tea tree oil improves blood flow and allows nutrients to reach hair follicles. It also helps to balance the pH level of the scalp and stimulate healthy hair growth. I went in with 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Peppermint essential oil, on the other hand, causes a cold, tingling feeling. Thanks to its menthol fresh properties, it increases circulation to the area it is applied to and helps to promote healthy hair growth. I also went in with 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. It should also be noted that peppermint, tea tree, and citrus-based oils can enhance circulation and decongest the scalp. So guys, this combination of powders and oils is the best addition you want to have, and that which stimulates hair growth a lot. I'm just going to transfer our hair growth oil into a sterilized container and move on to the final step. Stay tuned to see how I do a little demo on my hair. I'm just transferring my oil into an easy applicable container. It makes it very easy for me to oil my entire hair with ease. This container is the best thing that happened to me. My husband calls me grandma because guys, I always have something to store in these containers. I'm always glad to buy recycled items. But if that makes me a grandma, so be it. I'm gladly a grandma. You want to make sure to work that in very well into your scalp. We've now come to the end of our video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.